It's no secret that the coronavirus pandemic is taking a toll on mental health. In tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker finds out how social distancing can lead to depression and even death.
Suicide is the second leading cause of death for those between the age of 10 and 34. Rates also spike for the elderly, especially those living at home. Social distancing doesn't make it any easier.
You might have older folks who are widowers or live alone, or their adult children and grandkids may not live there. So having to isolate at home has been difficult.
Dr. Bridget Bailey, a child and adolescent psychiatrist and professor of psychiatry with UT Health San Antonio, who sees patients in the university health system, says in situations like this, sadness can turn into depression.
The ultimate things that can occur with clinical depression, things we worry about, is the thoughts of not being alive, the risk of thinking about committing suicide.
The American Psychological Society says to have a suicide safety plan, which includes warning signs or triggers of a developing crisis, coping strategies such as hobbies or relaxation techniques, people who can offer a distraction or even help, steps for making your environment safer, and a list of things worth living for.
Recognize that you have to self-care in order to care for other people. Anything that you can do to just take a break.
Taking care of yourself is one thing, checking in on others, such as your neighbor, is another.
If you're in a community and you know some older folks are living, checking on them, stopping by just to make sure if they need anything, because they would like a friendly call.
If you or anyone you know could be dealing with severe depression, you can call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. We'll have that number with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of the Wear the Gown stories. Just go to wearthegown.com.